Alright, Channel 10, here we go. I got your tweet. Wanted to see what the weather was like throughout the area, so here we are in Mays Landing, just outside Atlantic City. There's got to be at least 3-4 inches already. It's just about midnight, Friday into Saturday. We had a few people out here already on four-wheelers enjoying it. Now everybody's kind of shacked up for the night. Figure we can walk around. You can see what the accumulation is like here. Trying to find a light post down here. We can see how heavy it's actually falling. Snowing pretty heavily, pretty fast. Pretty windy, actually. You see some more cars parked outside my apartment complex here. Over here there is a sidewalk somewhere. It's to the point where even the curb is snowed over. You can't really tell. Let me see if we can get this light here. See how heavy it's snowing down here. Last I heard off of the NBC10 website was anywhere from 16 to 24 inches down here. It doesn't really seem like it's out of the question. Pretty desolate, nobody's out. I believe there's been plows out on the roads, but my apartment complex clearly has not been plowed. There's nothing here but just a blanket. So, yeah, here we are. I guess the blizzard of 2010, I guess you want to call it. And unlike most people, I'll be at work at 8:30 tomorrow morning, so I'll be up bright and early out here, tromping my way through it. So here we are, ladies and gentlemen, Mays Landing, the blizzard of 2010. Here you go.